Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change country Twitter X. Open your profile on Twitter. On the sidebar, click on More and then on the options Settings and Privacy. After this, click on Account Information. Enter your password if necessary. After that, click on the option Country. In the list, select the new country to use. Click on Change. In some cases, you will be asked to confirm some extra parameters. This is how you will change your country on Twitter X. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.